Trader, this is an update on Amazon. It's the first 50 minutes of that opening bell, and we're identifying the daily chart. We're identifying when the 50 crossed below the 100-day moving average on 8/30. It's been declining, and now that crossover is gaining value, so that when you go up and you define your resistance trading channel, you look for the wick, which our new trader already identified as a sell wick. And when does resistance become extremely difficult for the stock price to continue that upside 2-day momentum here in the first 50 minutes of the opening bell? Stay tuned for new updates on price action.